Hello everyone, welcome back to Culinary Crossroads. Today I'm going to share with you a delicious and easy recipe for eggless banana cakes. Whether you are a vegetarian, a vegan or just out of eggs, these pancakes are a fantastic breakfast treat. So let's jump right into it. In a large mixing bowl, add whole wheat flour, all-purpose flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, and cinnamon. Using a spatula, give it a good mix and keep aside. Now add cut banana in a blender and coarsely blend it with 1/4 cup of water. It is good idea to blend it just before mixing wet ingredients to the dry. Banana is a good substitute for eggs and provides great flavor. You can also use a fork or a potato masher for this as well. But blending banana equally works too. Add blended banana to the dry ingredients. It is okay to have few pieces of banana. Add vanilla extract. Then add sugar, tablespoons of melted butter or vegetable oil. I'm using olive oil. I've added 5.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Pour in 3/4 of the milk and not all of it at this stage, even plant-based milk to make it vegan friendly. Using spatula, start mixing from sides to center gently. You can use a whisk instead of spatula to combine. Batter is thick, so we will add in the remaining milk. If the batter is too thick, pancakes will be undercooked, and if it is too runny, pancakes will spread out and will not be fluffy at all. So give a good mix. If you still find batter too thick and doesn't pour off the ladle, then fold in few tablespoons of milk till desired consistency. Mix gently until just combined. The consistency of the batter should be thick. It should drop slowly, just like this. It is okay if there are few lumps. Rest it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Heat a non-stick pan or a griddle over medium heat. Once it is hot, reduce the heat down to low-medium heat. If the pan or a griddle is too hot, pancakes will burn before they are cooked through. Wait for about 2 minutes. Check the heat. Pour 1.5 ladle of batter in middle, slowly in circular motion so that batter spreads in round shape. Cook until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges start to set. Then carefully flip and cook for additional 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown, just like this. Such a beautiful golden color. Pour 1.5 ladle of batter in middle. Don't flip pancake early. As soon as bubble starts to come on top and around the surface, it's time to flip. Make all the pancakes like this. Enjoy these delicious banana pancakes for Sunday mornings. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. I love mine with a drizzle of chocolate sauce, some sliced bananas, and a sprinkle of chocolate chips. So get creative and make what you like. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for eggless banana pancakes. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tasty recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video. Happy cooking!